Okay, so,
over there. I'm
for
gonna
Derek?
like chuck these right
You're
at
gonna throw them at the wall? Okay.
Yeah, it's easier to throw it at the wall. Ready?
Yeah.
Attempt for being retarded number 1.
Okay. Derek is still on fire.
They're all fun. Wow, that was nice.
Only you can prevent forest fires. That got me.
That got me too. Alright, let's back up a little on the second one.
Okay. Go.
Damn it, I'm not jumping on this one.
No, don't. Pick it up again. That one sucked. You like hear it bang off the wall and you're like ready for it to go. Okay. Number 3. Go.
Damn it.
Wow, that one sucks.
Ready?
Yeah. Don't jump on it.
Don't jump on it?
Okay, well, I don't care. Well, this sucks.
I'm just jumping on it.
Oh my god! That flew right over my head.